Starting around 26 October 2023, Axie limitlessness sort of is exchanging at $4.83 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.33% in especially most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie fundamentally has a very complete market cap of $682,462,804, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $40,648,379, which really is genuinely huge. This really makes Axie limitlessness, Axie, especially positioning at 58 in the digital currency market, or so they for the most part thought. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie boundlessness really be exceptionally worth in 2023, or so they truly thought? Is Axie endlessness a wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Axie's cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed especially high in an unobtrusive manner? These generally are our Axie endlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, which basically is very huge. Axie limitlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023, as per the Axie vastness gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost certainly is supposed to for the most part cross a by and large normal value level of $7.10, the normal truly least value worth of Axie boundlessness, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to generally be $6.80. Showing that Axie certainly has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $682,462,804, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $40,648,379 in a kind of significant manner. Besides, Axie can really arrive at a greatest value level of $7.73, which for the most part is very critical. Axie's value conjecture August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Axie endlessness generally is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $5.77, which really is genuinely critical. The Axie's cost could especially arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $6.49, with the really normal cost around $6.31, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie endlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost of Axie boundlessness generally is truly anticipated to generally reach at a sort of least worth of $6.20 in September 2023, exhibiting that Axie's value estimate August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Axie limitlessness generally is supposed to especially arrive at an extremely least value worth of $5.77 in an unobtrusive manner. The Axie's cost could explicitly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $6.81, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, which generally is very huge. Axie vastness, Axie's value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Axie limitlessness cost generally is estimate to truly arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $6.33, exhibiting that Axie boundlessness, Axie's value forecast 2023, as per the Axie boundlessness figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Axie's cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a kind of normal value level of $7.10, the normal really least value worth of Axie limitlessness, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to essentially be $6.80, showing that Axie especially has an exceptionally complete market cap of $682,462,804, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $40,648,379. Or so they fundamentally thought. The Axie's cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $7.06, with the sort of typical expected cost around $6.57 in a by and large huge manner. Axie's value estimate November 2023. The Axie endlessness figure for November 2023 expects that the Axie may in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $7.39, with a kind of least cost of around $6.59 in an especially significant manner. Discussing the in every way that really matters, normal value Axie can generally stretch around $6.83 for November, which sort of is very critical. Axie limitlessness, Axie's value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness truly is especially anticipated to especially arrive at a sort of typical cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $7.73 and an especially least of $6.80 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie Infinity S cost basically has shown a very decent increment of 3.58% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. From most recent 7 days the axis really was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 17.82% in an unpretentious manner. Axie boundlessness explicitly has shown exceptionally serious areas of strength for lovely potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to basically dive right in and contribute fundamentally further appearance how Axie vastness genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie Infinity S cost most certainly has shown a decent increment of 3.58% in the especially most recent 24 hours in a significant manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie fundamentally diminished by 48.612%, wiping out an incredible by and large normal amount of $4.57 from its truly current worth. For the most part further appearance how starting around 26 October 2020 this unexpected down truly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a genuinely decent in a real sense purchase a potential open door for the most part speedy interest in a by and large significant manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 58.83%, and the cost essentially coursed from a for the most part least truly normal cost of $10.80 to by and large greatest extremely normal cost of $12.31 in the specific beyond 90 days, which certainly demonstrates the way that the axis cost could truly arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $6.49, with the truly normal cost around $6.31. Or so they thought. Axie limitlessness for the most part is somewhere near 27.37%, with the fundamentally greatest essentially normal cost of the coin certainly was around $6.96, and the really least essentially normal cost of fundamentally was around $6.76 in fundamentally beyond 4 months, which by and large is very huge. Axie limitlessness value estimate 2023 facts what will truly be Axie vastness by and large worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. The axis value sort of is determined to especially arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $7.73, with by and large least cost of $6.80 toward the finish of 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. Does Axie endlessness really have a future, which in a real sense is very critical? As far as value, Axie endlessness by and large has an exceptional truly potential to sort of arrive at new levels, especially further appearance how this unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present